Hello everyone. Today's video show you how to derive three main equations of motion from time velocity graph. Okay, let's start. Here it is a time velocity graph. Look at carefully. Here is a body which has an initial velocity u and its velocity changes uniformly. Okay. Now I am going to the first equation, which is v is equal to u plus at. How will you derive from that time velocity graph? Okay, look at this carefully, step by step. This is for s is equal to ut plus half at square. One thing you should know, that distance equal to velocity into time. So we need the area of the trapezium, AO dV, and the trapezium is divided into two parts. One of it is a rectangle, which is AODC, and another is a right angle triangle, which is ABC. If we add both areas, then we get the required equation, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square. And the final one, which is v square is equal to u square plus 2s. Look at carefully, step by step. Hope you understand the derivations of three equations of motion from the time velocity graph. Thank you.